Next up is James Iyer. A lot to say about this guy. TDC 2023 World Class Qualifier. 2023 ladder to TDC PH first place. And also from PRCD and the Soft Boys Drifters. So here he goes, first run. Watch the light. Here we go, aggressive entry onto the clean straight, smooth so far, big click. It's just those two tires off, loose momentum there, but saves it in the clipping zone number 2. Rides the wall over there, taps the wall into number 3, fills it up completely, going to number 4, fills it up into that transition into number 5, and there we go, big angle, snappy transition there, and 90 degrees across the finish line.
First run got 88.6.
All right, 88.6 on top from the first run. Second run, here we go. Watch the light. Goes on the main straight. And build up that momentum. Flicks it in, backwards, taps the wall, just screws up the momentum of his car and the trajectory of his car, but gets it into clipping zone number 2, riding the wall once again, gives it a love tap, into number 3. Fills it up completely. Let's see number 4. Fills it up completely. Close to the wall. Transition. Big snap. Into number 5. Big angle. And across the line. For Sir James. And let's go. Watch the light. Onto the straight. Let's see how he approaches this one. Big angle once again. Half the car inside. Better transition number 2. See if he rides the wall once again, gets close to the wall, nice and smooth, but goes off track limits. Number 3, and to number 4, perfectly done, close to the wall. Good transition into number 5, big angle, and across the line.
For the last run of Mr. James got 90.8.